Mm. Good afternoon, you guys. Today, today I'm doing another food review video. I know it was a bit of a while since the last one, but doing one again. This time I'm reviewing Cheetos, Lays Cheetos. I'm reviewing Cheetos, cheese flavored Lay's potato chips. This is actually one of three limited time flavors based off Lay, Lay's other Frito-Lay's other other snacks. The other two being the other two being being Funyun onion flavored chips, which my dad bought yesterday at Dollar General along with this flavor, and 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 Doritos Cool Ranch flavored potato chips, which I would love to try. And maybe I'll do videos of those flavors in the near future. But for now, let's try these out. You see? Under? See? Mmm. Tastes just like a Cheeto. Good. Mmm. Mm. Yep, definitely tastes like a Cheeto. I give that 5 cheese curls out of 5. Anyway, that's it for my food review video for today. Thank you for watching. Go enjoy my snack now. See you in the next food review video, wherever that may be. Bye.